It's 10:47 p.m. You finally sit down. Laptop open. Phone face down. You tell yourself, now I'll focus, and for about 3 minutes, you actually do. Then your mind starts wandering. You check one message, then one video. Then suddenly it's midnight and nothing meaningful is done. Here's the crazy part. It's not because you're lazy. It's not because you lack discipline. You're making one very specific focus mistake almost everyone makes after 10 p.m. And once you see it, you won't unsee it. Let's talk about it. After 10 p.m., most people believe something dangerous. They believe, this is my quiet time. This is when I finally get things done. No interruptions. No messages. No responsibilities. Sounds perfect, right? But here's the truth nobody likes hearing. Late night is not peak focus time. It's peak fake productivity time. You feel productive, but your brain is already tired. So what happens? You choose tasks that feel productive but avoid the ones that actually move your life forward. You organize folders, rewrite notes, plan tomorrow for the 5th time, watch study with me videos, all instead of doing the hard thing you said you would. That's the mistake. Confusing quiet with clarity. Let me make this real. Think about the last time you stayed up late working. Did you really finish something important, or did you just stay busy? Because tired focus doesn't disappear. It gets sneaky. You still sit there. You still look serious. But your brain is operating at maybe 60%. So everything feels heavier, slower, more frustrating. And when work feels frustrating, you naturally look for relief. That's where scrolling comes in. Or just one video. Or I deserve a break. And suddenly, your focus isn't broken. It was never really there. Here's the deeper problem. After 10 p.m., your brain shifts modes. It moves from let's build to let's survive the day. Decision-making drops. Self-control weakens. Emotions get louder. That's why small things annoy you more at night. That's why motivation feels gone. That's why everything feels harder. So when you try to force deep focus at that time, you're fighting biology. And biology always wins. So what should you do instead? I'm not going to tell you to just sleep early and end the video. That's useless advice. Let's be practical. First, stop doing thinking heavy work late at night. No writing scripts. No solving complex problems. No studying new topics. No making big decisions. Those require a fresh brain. After 10 p.m., your brain is better for low-friction tasks. Things like light revision, reading, organizing simple stuff, preparing for tomorrow, setting up tasks so future you can win. You're not being lazy by switching. You're being strategic. Second, use the night for clarity, not pressure. Instead of asking how much can I finish, ask what can I make easier for tomorrow. That might look like laying out clothes, opening the tabs you'll need, writing the first ugly line of something, creating a short to-do list. Not the whole project, just the doorway into it. So when you wake up, there's no resistance. You don't start from zero. You start from motion. That's powerful. Third, set a mental shutdown ritual. This sounds simple, but it changes everything. Pick one small thing you do every night that tells your brain, work is done, now we rest. Maybe writing tomorrow's top 3 tasks. Closing all tabs. Turning off lights in a certain order. Playing the same calm music. It trains your mind to stop carrying stress into sleep. And better sleep means better focus tomorrow. Which means, you don't need fake late-night productivity anymore. Now let's address something honestly. Some of you stay up late not because of work, but because night is the only time you feel free. No expectations. No pressure. No one asking anything from you. That's real. But here's the shift that changed everything for me. Instead of escaping into the night, I started protecting my mornings. Because freedom isn't staying up late scrolling. Freedom is waking up without chaos in your head. Freedom is starting the day calm, not behind. And you don't get that by pushing your brain past its limit at night. You get it by respecting when your focus actually works best. Let's recap this simply. The focus mistake everyone makes after 10 p.m. is this: trying to force deep, important work when your brain is built for rest and recovery. Instead, do light, low-pressure tasks. Prepare for tomorrow. Create clarity, not stress. Build a shutdown ritual. Protect your energy, not just your time. That's how you win long-term. Not by grinding harder, but by working smarter with your brain. Here's what I want you to try tonight. Not tomorrow. Not someday. Tonight. Pick one small thing, prepare tomorrow's task, set your shutdown ritual, or simply stop forcing heavy focus after 10 p.m. Just one change. Because real self-improvement doesn't come from massive plans. It comes from tiny decisions, done consistently. Let's improve together.